everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by today with basically what I did over the winter. If y'all know anything about me, normally during the winter, I don't really have a seasonal disorder, depression disorder or whatever, but I just don't do as much during the winter. Here in Texas, it's extremely cold. And I mean, people who move down here from the north, go back north because it's too cold here. Anyway, since my studio doesn't have central heat and air, I have to run the heater while I'm in here. So I can't run the oven while I'm in here. So, the winter is kind of an for me. So I usually craft behind the scenes, so to speak. This is what I've been doing, well, some of what I've been doing this winter. It's a dozen canvas notebooks, sketchbooks, whatever you want to call them. They just have blank, it's really a kind of a copy paper. They normally have end papers, but I just finished this one. So a few of them don't have end papers, but I'm getting there. So I'm going to just share them with you. This one was done with one of those little plastic garlands you get from the dollar store that have the skeletons hanging on. If you heat them with your heat gun, you can manipulate their position a bit. So this one, I've glued the skeleton down, done some texture paste in the background, little black gesso, little graphite paste and stuff, and a few jewels and stuff like that. So there's that one. Now, the white, I did black gesso it, so the white coloration is from the Finnabar matte wax, the white one. So, and then it's got a little silver around it and stuff. Okay, that's enough of that one. Now, this one is still in the works, but this one is rice paper. And then I did a little of the clear, the Decoart clear crackle glaze. Ooh, man. It's got a little tiny bit of embossing powder down here. What I plan on doing is I've got a crocodile print faux paper leather that I bought specifically to do a spine on this, and don't you know, I can't find it. I've literally looked just about everywhere. I've got one place in mind, but and then to put these hinges. I think that'll be really cute. Okay, that's that one. And I've got plans on putting some ribbon and maybe some little dangles, a key, something. This one was just with the dragonfly that I did in one of my tutorials. This again is rice paper. Got a little gold Finnabar wax. Then I did these art little letters. Believe it or not, this is stickles. How long has it been since you heard anybody say stickles? Really? Okay, so there's that one. I'm sorry if I didn't show you the back of that one. Okay. I like this one a lot. I had done this quite a few years ago even, and I just mounted it on top of another series of molds from the from the Prima Mole. The background was just a little hand painted, and it's got some embossing powder. Just took the embossing ink pad and just skimmed it over the top so that it just caught in some of the places. Okay, and these are the Frank Garcia pearls right there. Okay, this is actually from my mold. Several of them. A few gears. These are metal gears on top, but these are some more clay gears. These are all metal gears. It's got a little gold leafing, little glitter. Okay. I love this one. I love this one. It's really pretty. These are Stamperia molds. And then it's got the Decoart, I believe. Old French script. This one. This one now has some texture paste in the background. I did kind of a brick stenciling. This is from the Prima. I believe it's when they were Prima IOD molds. Excuse me. Frog in my throat. And this is just a mold that I got off of, maybe it came from AliExpress, but you can get them on Amazon as well. The antiquing in the back there is the Frank Garcia, again, artisan paste. I love those. Okay, this one, this one has a little bit of the rice paper in the background. Again, this is a mold that possibly came from AliExpress once again, as well as the coin one. This one, this was I believe it's a Sculpey mold, and I'm not sure whether they still sell it or not. Not sure. Oh, no end papers on this one. Okay, that one's not finished. Okay. I love this one. Of course, they all have basically a hand-painted background, except the ones that have rice paper. With the kelp in the back and the bubbles. So cute. It's very textured. You can tell that, but as well as the sand on the bottom. Now this one I did in paper clay from that Stamperia mold again. It's really pretty. But this has got some of the Stamperia, I'm not sure what it's called, moss effect. Anyway, it's a two-part, a lighter and a darker textured. It's really cool anyway. And I don't believe this one's got, no, end papers as well. Okay, when I did this one, I was really so excited. This came from AliExpress, the mold for this Mayan calendar. These again are the Prima IOD molds. Brick texture stamp in the background. But this I got in a background effects, like diorama kind of background effects. And I was so excited to put it on. It was really soft, and then I glued it down and it turned all crunchy. But now it's at least back to kinda. And then it's just got some regular moss up here. But anyway, so cute. Alright. Again with the Stamperia molds. This one is, I don't know what it's called. I'm terrible with remembering the names. And then this is from a Stamperia texture mold. I'm not sure what you'd want to call it. But anyway, you put a texture paste, an icing paste or whatever, and then let it dry and you can peel it off. It's very cool. I like this one actually. And then last but not least, I finally used the little turtle. This is a turtle I did in a tutorial forever ago, however long ago. And he's been in the box waiting patiently, painted and everything. Okay, so this one has got the swirls, and it's a Decoart stencil. Swirl something. And I did it with the crackle glaze. I don't know why my voice is breaking so terribly. I can't get that piece of gold flake off. I did it with the crackle glaze, and it gave a very interesting kind of a watery, like it's wet look. And then I just gave him some bubbles. These are the Prima assemblage. I'm not sure what they're called. Anyway, really cute. And look, it has thin papers. So, that's it. Oh my gosh, if that's not enough. A dozen altered little sketchbooks. Little something books. Thank you so much for watching. All the links to my social media and etc. are listed below, as well as the links to my Etsy shop and my Amazon shop that I get a little kickback from. I've got a polymer clay supply list as well as a resin supply list listed on there. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.